How to convert PDF to and from other formats in Pixillion. Add your files to Pixillion, then select the images you want to convert. Choose PDF from Convert to File and click Convert. Continue watching this tutorial for additional details on how to convert to and from PDF in Pixillion. Start by adding your files to Pixillion using drag and drop or the Add Files button. Select the files you want to convert by clicking Select All to highlight everything in the list, or hold the Ctrl key while clicking files individually. Open the Convert to File drop-down menu and choose PDF. To convert PDF into other formats, add your PDF files first and choose a different format from the same menu, such as JPG, PNG, or others. Click Set Output Folder to choose where the converted files will be saved. Open encoder settings to adjust PDF options like paper size, orientation, margins, scaling, positioning, and quality when converting to PDF. Click Convert to start the process. After conversion, click Open Output Folder to access your files. For more Pixillion tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.